so what you do, a little quick rundown, just pull off the plastic that's underneath here. You literally just tug it off. And if this has been untouched, mine's been touched because it did the fg2 type R conversion, push to start. There should be like a Phillips, one or two, I don't remember, under there that you gotta take out. And then you just pull this off too. It's like clips on the back of this plastic trim. You guys can see. Literally just, you know, don't like manhandle it. Just like, oh my God, I don't want that to fall. But yeah, just tug on it, you know, tug on it until it pops out. And then all you gotta do is take these 3 Phillips screws out. One here, one there, and then another one up here. See? And then you should be able to pull that out. Just like that, it's out. Just remove the 3 Phillips screws that I told y'all. And then there's only one connector that goes in the back of here. So y'all can see. Easy peasy. Now we just gotta take this plastic piece off over here. Let me zoom out so y'all can see.
Gotta be careful with those.
Yeah, these are very fragile. You wanna like take these off along the side, one by one, you know, slowly. So you guys can see. Bang. But yeah, after that comes off, and then I'm gonna start removing the inside pieces. I'll show y'all. Okay guys, so the trick to removing these is what I do is I push this down a little bit and then I pop it like that. Just for an idea. Do it for all of them. Just go around slowly. Just let it move like a little bit. It just popped this much right now. Popped up this much. But you just gotta go around and like, you know, lightly press it in and then like press it down and then push it in lightly. Okay guys, so instead of moving the clear plastic, I also had to move the black plastic right here. So what you want to do is that you just gotta push it in and then push it down and then push it in. I was supposed to take both parts off, because if not, then this plastic right here that goes around this, it will not come off. So now I'm just gonna move this all the way to the right and like pop it off. Well, I'm gonna do that off camera, but you guys get the gist of it. Okay, so what I did was just turn it. I turned it like this way and then I just popped it right off. And then I'm gonna have to take this piece off and then I should be able to take this out. All right guys, so for this, it's a little bit different. I marked where I gotta cut out. So then, you know, everything, all the plastic could go back in place real nice. See how I marked it right there? And then I also marked it in gray here. You might not see it, but right here, one right there, you're not gonna be able to see that. But if you guys are gonna do this, you can line it up yourselves. You could kind of see it right here. I don't really have to cut the top because this gauge is a little bit smaller than this one. You guys will see when I put it on. Okay guys, so you can see where I cut. I'm gonna zoom in. See, I cut right there. Pretty much where I marked it. That's what you couldn't see before, unless you have like supervision or something. See? It's not perfect cuts, but it's gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Right now it's reverse procedure, and let me tell you that this shit looks so sexy. Like going from this, you know, regular SI to this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Like, look at it. Oh. Okay, so I put everything back in. Now let's see how it went. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, look at
wow. It. Look at that beauty. Time to start it.
See?
Oh my gosh.
See?
Look at that. Look at that.